maybe taking back a step too, why even fundraise for your business? Why even join an accelerator as renowned as YC? I had a conversation with my co-founder, who's my CTO, and I asked him, I said, how much money do you have left? And he says, it's not good. And he asked me, how much money do you have left? And I said, not enough to help you or me. And that was the catalyst for we knew we had to raise money if we wanted to keep pursuing this opportunity. Luckily, we both had really great partners that were supportive, but YC felt, especially as someone that's starting a business for the first time, there's just many unknowns that you haven't navigated before, putting behind the complexity and the black boxes of how enterprises purchase software and how all of that change management works and functions and operates. Every day, I think to myself, I'm building the biggest company that I've ever built in my life. And as the company's grown in size, you deal with nonstop people problems. Someone every day is having a terrible day. Someone every year will go through something very difficult. You as a business will suffer through many trials and tribulations and lows. And as you think about how you start that company and all the pieces that you need to be successful, beyond just an idea and knowing that you can solve this problem, you lack a lot of the fundamentals. And so the motivation behind applying to YC was we knew that would be a great accelerator for us. The second thing and the second motivation for us was the network. Right now, and maybe just for the audience, so Rootly is a on-call and incident management platform. And YC was a great catalyst for a lot of our early customers too. Most of the top YC companies like Dropbox, to Replit, to Fair, to Webflow, to Lattice, all use Rootly today. The majority of each new YC batch also uses Rootly for their on-call incident response and status page products. And that network is underrated, in my opinion, but you really also have to make it your own. If you don't work at it like any other thing in the world and make the most out of it, you actually don't find as much value. But we really leaned in to the program. We have bundles where you can buy our product and the other top YC startup products together if you're a company that's very small as well.
Yeah.
And so that's been fun. And going back and doing talks for founders as well and being invited to do that has also been really interesting and very full circle.